Every year, over 200,000 people apply. Only 64 get to see it each day. This is the story of one of the most exclusive and surreal places on Earth. The wave. Like and subscribe while we ride this wave. What you're looking at isn't a painting. It's real, solid rock, sculpted by nature over millions of years. This incredible landscape is part of the Navajo Sandstone Formation, a vast desert of ancient sand dunes that existed nearly 190 million years ago, back when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. Over eons, these dunes were buried, compacted into rock, and then re-exposed. The stunning, flowing lines you see were carved by wind and water, slowly eroding the sandstone layer by layer, revealing the psychedelic patterns hidden within. The vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows come from different minerals that seeped into the rock. It's a geological masterpiece, a snapshot of deep time frozen in stone. Each swirl tells a story of an ancient world, a testament to the patient and powerful artistry of nature. So, how do you get to see this natural wonder for yourself? Well, that's where things get tricky. Access to the wave is strictly controlled to preserve its fragile beauty. Only 64 people are allowed to visit each day. These permits are awarded through a lottery system run by the Bureau of Land Management. 48 of those permits are given out through an online lottery 4 months in advance. The odds are tough, often less than 5%, especially during peak seasons. The remaining 16 permits are for the daily lottery, which you have to enter in person near the site. This one is even more competitive, with hundreds of hopeful hikers showing up for just a handful of spots. It's this extreme difficulty that makes a visit to the wave a true once-in-a-lifetime experience. It's not just a hike. It's a prize won against incredible odds. While the wave is the main event, the area around it holds other spectacular secrets that most visitors miss. Just a short scramble away, you can find formations that are arguably just as impressive. There's the second wave, a larger, more open area with its own unique set of hypnotic swirls and colors. Then you have the worm, a mind-bending tunnel-like feature that feels like you're crawling through the belly of a stone serpent. And hidden high above, you'll find Melody Arch, a delicate stone bridge framing a perfect view of the landscape below. These lesser-known spots offer solitude and a different perspective on the area's geology. Exploring them feels like uncovering secret levels in a video game, each one more incredible than the last. It's a reminder that even within this famous location, there are still wonders waiting to be discovered. Getting the permit is only the first challenge. The actual journey to the wave is a serious adventure in itself. It's a 6-mile round-trip hike through a rugged, unmarked wilderness. There is no trail. You have to navigate using landmarks and a map provided with your permit. The sun beats down relentlessly, and temperatures in the summer can soar to extreme levels, making dehydration and heatstroke a very real danger. You need to carry plenty of water, be skilled in navigation, and be physically prepared for a strenuous trek across sand and slick rock. This is not a casual stroll in the park. The raw, untamed nature of the hike is part of what makes the experience so profound. It is a journey that tests your limits and rewards you with a profound sense of accomplishment when you finally arrive at your destination. To put the wave into perspective, think about other world-class bucket list destinations. Places like Machu Picchu in Peru or the ancient city of Petra in Jordan. These are iconic sites that draw millions of visitors. The wave belongs in that same elite category of world wonders, but its visitor numbers are a tiny fraction of theirs. While thousands of people might walk through Petra in a single day, the wave welcomes only 64. This incredible exclusivity elevates it to a different level. It is a pilgrimage for landscape photographers and adventurers who crave a connection with nature in its purest, most untouched form. Seeing it isn't just about ticking an item off a list. It's about being one of the very few to witness this masterpiece. The wave is more than just a beautiful place. It's a fragile, irreplaceable treasure. Its rarity is what makes it so special. We hope this journey into its history and the challenge of reaching it has inspired you. If you want to see our full adventure and discover more of the hidden gems we found, check out the playlist linked right here. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures to the world's most incredible places.